Y'all, today we're gonna go on a little field trip. You're probably asking, Hussey, what are you gonna do? Well, I'm on a mission to see if we, Hungry Hussey here, can do a Baconator better. That's right, me versus Wendy's Baconator. We're gonna see if we're better. May or may not. We shall see. Let's go, y'all.
Good morning, James and Truck. Am I take order, please?
Yeah, can I get 2 Baconators, please? Just the sandwiches?
Single, double, triple, or the son?
Well, you got, there's 1, 2, or 3.
There's 4.
Oh, there's 4.
Single, double, triple, or the son?
Oh, the son, I'll say. What do we do? Let me do a triple. Let me get 2 triples. Might as well go big, right?
All right. Anything else for you today?
That'll be all.
$17.95 at the second window, please. Thank you.
$17, $2. She don't want to be on camera. Single, double, triple, son. So much. Appreciate it. You too. Thing's heavy. Dang. Alrighty. I've honestly never had a Baconator. Who all's had a Baconator? Let me know down below. And do you like a Baconator? And number 2, do you think Hussey can recreate this Baconator and be better than the Wendy's Baconator? We shall see. All right, back home, and this thing is heavy. Big, look at that big old thing. Unravel this thing, see what we got. There's always, people talking about the Baconator, Baconator. So I thought I have got to see what this Baconator is all about. First things first, I want to evaluate what we got to work with here. So we got, it looks like mayonnaise and ketchup. 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like there's like 6 pieces of bacon on there, but now these are like half strips. And then piece of American cheese between each one of these, and that's it, pretty much. So it's just 3. I got a triple. You can do a, what they say, a son, which is, I think, I don't know, smaller, a single, double, or triple. I went ahead and went for the triple. Why not? It's Hussey, right? And I'm just gonna be honest with you. Wendy's, y'all gotta do better than this. There ain't a whole lot of mayonnaise on here. They broke a state law right there. We're gonna get them. We're gonna go back. And there's nothing on the, look at that. Thing's gonna be drier than the dang bone. Good night in the morning. Well, we could fix that. We could say, hey, give me some more mayonnaise, but lordy. I mean, you're in North Carolina, heart of Duke's mayonnaise country, and you just give me a old little something like that. It's a crying shame. Let's give it a try. Let's see what this Baconator is all about. Oh, hey, that was big. Okay. I mean, it's a pretty big burger. It could use some more mayonnaise. The bacon's nice. The ketchup ain't a bad choice either. I mean, for a bunch of dang meat, some cheese, and some bacon, it's not too bad. I really like this bun. Wish I could find that. Let's try it one more time. It's not bad, I must say, but I think we can do better. Let's do it. Well, that was a fun field trip. I appreciate you riding along with us. We had a lot of fun, but now the work has to happen. Now is the time we recreate this Baconator. We're gonna start off by cooking our bacon. We've got a pre-warmed griddle, got it pre-warmed on low. And this bacon is not the thick cut bacon. I thought the thick cut would be probably a little too much. So this is just a regular cut style bacon, kind of the cheaper bacon, if you will. So while this is cooking, let's get over here and let's get our burger patties. If you know Wendy's does a square patty. We're gonna do square too because we're square. All right, so our beef. We got about 3 pounds of 80-20 ground chuck. On the Wendy's site, they say they use 1/4 pound patties. We had a triple, so that's 3/4 pounds. And so what we're gonna do is, our Ziploc baggie here is square. Well, it's supposed to be square, but actually it's made to where it'll sit up. So they've kind of threw me a little bit of a curveball there. So I'm so sorry. That's okay. Hussey will prevail. If it's a little round, it'll be okay. We're gonna be walking out of here like a dang tick on a hound dog's butt. I'll tell you that right now. This thing's gonna be big. Probably wondering how you're gonna get it out of there, Hussey. Well, I'm glad you asked. Gonna run our knife around just like that. Just try not to cut yourself, y'all. Square that edge right there off, and there we go. While we're at a good point here, let's check on our bacon. Our bacon looks fantastic. All right, now I'm gonna take this glove off. And I'm gonna kind of gauge about like what our buns. My buns obviously isn't what Wendy's uses. I love these Martin potato rolls. So they're gonna shrink a little bit too, y'all. Okay? So just kind of use that as a guide. I wanna come in, try to be about as equal as possible. Got an old calibrated eye right there. Well, I know Maggie girl, you're ready, ain't you, girlfriend? Yeah, she's ready for some groceries. All right, so our bacon is done. Now we're gonna bring the griddle top up. We're going to leave this bacon grease down, because that's flavor, and we're gonna get it ready for our patties. Now, how we're gonna prep these patties are, we're gonna season them with a little bit of heifer dust. Oh yes, Wendy's ain't got no heifer dust, but if you want some Wendy's, holla at a boy, all right? So we're gonna season this side with heifer dust. While we're waiting for the griddle to warm up, hey, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I sure would appreciate it. And leave me a comment. I'd love to interact with you. All right, our griddle is nice and hot. It's time for our burger patties. So I'm just gonna bring these patties, just like it is in this bag, and we're just gonna put it on the griddle. We'll come in with some more heifer dust. The old heifer. Woo, boy, it smells good in here. I bet you it smells better than any Wendy's kitchen you go into. I guarantee that. I need to talk about buns, hun. I said it earlier, these are my favorite buns. Love Martin's buns. We got a little bit of bacon grease over here. Put those right onto some bacon grease. Can't go wrong with bacon grease. That's how I got my wife. I put a little bacon grease right here, right here. Can't keep her off of me. I think it's time to flip these bad boys. Woo! Boy, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. Let's see where, oh yeah. See, Wendy's didn't do this. Wendy's didn't do this. Whew. While these are finishing up, y'all, we're gonna get our buns ready. Wendy's, y'all need to take note. We're gonna put some mayonnaise on this. Look at this right here. Duke's mayonnaise, state law. And they put ketchup just on their top. I'll add the cheese to the burger. Maggie girl, she's swarming. What are you doing, girl? Huh? You ready? All right, Wendy's didn't do this. I think it could benefit from a few pickles. Just a few. Right there. Our burger patties are ready. Are y'all ready? Maggie, are you ready? I think you are, ain't you, girl? One. We're gonna do two. We're gonna do three. Woohoo, boy. And we got a single right here. The single might be Jacob's. Let me let you in on a little secret. Jacob don't like bacon. What? Who does that? Who don't like bacon? My word. What's this world coming to? So we're just gonna come in. 1, 2. We might have to do just like Wendy's did. 3, 4, and 5, 6. Boom. Good night in the morning. Boy, that's a big old burger right there. Good night in the morning. That's a big old burger. That is a burger right there. I have no idea how I'm going to eat this thing. This one was tough. And it was good. But I do believe this right here might be better. Y'all, we need to try this. We've already tried the Baconator. We said it was good. They need more mayonnaise, obviously. So we're just going to try to get the old hunch. Be like Guy Fieri. Yeah, he's like, you got to hunch it. Cheers, y'all. Mmm. Oh boy. Now that is a Hussinator. Slide over, Wendy. Dang it, boy. Yeah. Y'all, that thing's got some flavor. It's juicy. We put that heifer dust on it. It's amazing. We put the pickles on it. That's amazing. And we got some good bacon on there. And it's amazing. So what do you think, guys? Down below, love to know what you think. Do you think the Hussinator is the winner or the Baconator is the winner? Hey, let me know down below. Maggie, which one do you think, girl? Huh? There's your Baconator. Alrighty. Oh, Jacob, what about your Baconator? Less bacon. But this is what we're gonna do. This is a single. Jacob don't like bacon, but guess what? 1 slice of bacon for Jacob. Jacob tried the Baconator earlier. So Jacob, we need to know your thoughts. All right, Jacob. Try your not Baconator. Too much bacon, he says. Y'all, what do you think about that? Oh my Lord. Oh geez Louise, Jacob. Kids these days. My word. All right, guys. So, the not Baconator or the Baconator? Which one do you prefer? Woo! The Hussinator wins! Boom, 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 boom! Y'all, that was a ton of fun. I appreciate you watching. Watch this video right here next. I guarantee you'll love it too.